this is our next stop, SUZUHIRO Kamaboko Museum. So the last part of the wheeler travel is we are learning how to make kamaboko by ourselves. Okay, not the entire process, just the ending. And kamaboko is a fish-based steamed cake that is very popular in Japan. You find it in any bento. There will be a piece of kamaboko, and it's kind of chewy, and then it has some faint fish taste, and apparently it's made of fish. Okay, before actually going in the store, let's see what kamaboko is. In Wikipedia, it says it is white fish deboned, pureed, so you make it a paste, and then with either natural or man-made additives, it will be steamed until fully cooked and firmed. And in English, the translation would be fish paste or fish cake, fish sausage. And interestingly, the Ashkenazi Jews have this gefilte fish dish, which is kind of similar to, see, like here, actually totally looks like kamaboko. It's made in Japan since 14th century Anno Domini, and it looks like this. If you wanted to know what kind of fish can be used, here is a full list on Wikipedia, and actually yes, really many types, even shark. So these are the victims that are being used for the kamaboko, and there are a couple of steps. This is fun, like a real kamaboko factory. It's fun that we have to wear this stuff and an apron, and here you can see the actual craftsmen making the kamaboko. And this is how kamaboko looks in your bento box. It has, you know, many colors and make to look pretty. And then this is the chikuwa. See, it looks a little bit grilled, and you find it in oden. And then you have these really beautiful ones with designs for like celebration. Cute, it's like a theme park here where you can explore and play with them. And oh my god, there is some text here. Wish this would be in English. Wow. And then this one, you know, the colors. Oh, so this one must have egg, and that's why it's yellow. And the pink one, cactus. Oh, and this is pumpkin and green tea. And the black one, no idea, maybe seaweed. And this interactive wooden item shows you, for example, this fish will result into these type of kamabokos. And then let's see the red one. So once you fix the red one, yay, see, we get this light. Really cool for kids. Here we have again that red one, poor fishy that's gonna become a kamaboko cake. And the dark one. So all these fish types can be made into kamaboko. Okay, amazing. So to tell you very fast, you take the fish body, you know, like boiled fish, and then you mix it. And at first it doesn't produce any big change, but then when you add the salt, that salt is going to change the protein shape, and it's going to become very easy to form a lattice, and it will change, you know, the proteins will change and become this lattice, and that's why it becomes really chewy, and it has, so funny, it's a like a, it shows how the kamaboko that I just ate, the proteins are reacting in my body. So now they talk about the pepsins. Wow.
ピプシンなどの消化液によって短い鎖に
So
見られます。
cool. Amazing. It's so interactive. See, I can walk around with my stomach and everything.
プチガーザなどの消化液により
Wow,
分
this
解
is
されて
Japan.
さらに
Seriously.
小さくなります。
Wow, so those proteins that we ate are gonna become different texture than fish. So that's why it was so chewy and it's like, oh my god, what am I eating? Really, it's like an elastic. So it becomes elastic after you rub the fish like that and add this special salt. And so this is how the Kamaboko factory and Kamaboko making experience is being prepared for the customers. So we're gonna go, each of us gets their own knife and their own paste, and we're gonna make our own Kamaboko. And this lady is gonna help us.
平らに伸ばしてください。
Ah,
はい、首を平らに伸ばします。
this is not so easy. It's not as easy as it looks. Basically, we are doing this to remove the air from this paste.
表面は今はデコボコになってても大丈夫です。後で直しますので、しっ
So
かり見
that's
て
how
て
you
くだ
use the
さい。
wood.
で次に第2段階の中掛けと言います。この形までできるまでにはそのままの形で召し上がります。かまぼこ白菜に包丁の先の角を使って
So far, so good. Jajan, this is my kamaboko. It's going in the over here, and it has my name, so that's how we will find it back. So actually, it's going to be steamed with hot water. So it's not boiled, it's steamed in this huge machine here. Look at all of us. I thought we were done, but no, we are making one more type. It's a chikua, you know, the one that you find in Oden. It has a hole. Okay, let's check the Wikipedia for chikua. And this one is a jelly-like food made from ingredients such as fish, surimi. Surimi refers to a paste made from fish or other meat. It can also refer to a number of East Asian foods that use that paste as their primary ingredient. Then salt, sugar, starch, and monosodium glutamate. And after mixing them and wrap them around the bamboo or metal, they should be steamed or broiled. So this is chikua. See, that's my bamboo number 11. So I think I will have to build this thing on top of the bamboo somehow. Yeah, so this one is kind of easier to do. It contains mirin, which is something like a sweet Japanese alcohol. Hands again, because we're gonna make the chikua by hand. We got to hurry. As long as the hand is wet, you gotta put it around the stick, and to avoid it glued to my own hand. Sparkling chikua is done.
余っているすり身つけることあると思いますが、乗せたら必ず竹の棒に沿って縦に慣れてあげてください。これ横にピッチャーの正確なすり身ペロンと全部取れちゃいます。必ず縦に優しく慣れてあげてください。という作業をしていきます。竹の棒の
Bye bye, my kamaboko number 11. See, it's gonna be baked. Actually, this is really hot. It's really warm. Oh, they are getting grilled now. See, some people made like 3 balls or some interesting shape. Mine is kind of boring. They are done. Oh my god, which one is mine? I found mine is number 11. Cool that each has a number, yes. Yay, my Kamaboko. I wonder, can I eat it right now, right here, right now? I don't want to take it home with me. Oh, it smells like fish. It smells like being on the beach, seaside. Nice. I'm gonna actually start eating my own kamaboko right here, right now. Actually, really delicious. Wow. Is this delicious? The outer part is crispy like a leather, like a skin. The inner part is chewy like a meat. So actually it's very fishy. Okay, fish meat is more dry and it falls apart. So this one sticks together and it's really chewy. And so the outer skin is crispy and it feels really natural to eat it. Really not like what we did to this thing, you know, like slap it and rub it around and fix it by hand. Wow, really happy to eat this fresh made by myself. Okay, with their help. The Kamaboko Factory and Museum and Manufacturer. We can learn about fishes. And the fishermen, how they are preparing, and how Kamaboko is being born. Now you know. And oh my god, there is one more floor. And now you can see we are here in the nature. And then, no idea what this has to do with the Kamaboko Museum, but it's here on the second floor. I thought we're gonna learn about Kamaboko, but apparently they have all kind of artworks. This one is cute. And such cute toys, see? Mini Kamabokos. And jellyfish. And Nemo. And yay, I get to try the fish shoes that I saw in Okinawa. I was wondering if they're comfortable or not. But kind of okay. Crazy. And so if you're coming to this Odawara area, SUZUHIRO Kamaboko village, there are so many things that you can do. See, we only went to this Kamaboko museum where we did a workshop to make our own kamaboko and chikuwa. And then there is here shops and foods and stores and another delicious restaurant and a soba place, and then even they have like a brewery, an own brewery here, craft beer and Italian foods, and it's along the river, so it looks really cool. The address, and it is in Odawara, which is near Mount Fuji. Anyway, since I cannot drive a car, I did this tour with Wheeler Travel, and it was included in this one-day selectable tour from Tokyo to Odawara and Hakone. I had to go to the amazing Asahi Brewery in Kanagawa and drink beer and then do this food culture plan and make kamaboko by yourself, and it costs around $100 US. See, Kamaboko Museum with this Asahi Beer Kanagawa Brewery tour by Wheeler Travel. However, guess what? There is one here in Asakusa, in Tokyo, in Asakusa. So I really can't wait to eat again that grilled chikuwa that I did myself at the end. Here, see? So in Asakusa, yes, this one. I really want to eat this thing again. So I'm so happy to know that we can have this in Tokyo, in Asakusa. And there are even kamaboko takoyaki. You know, these balls that have octopus inside? Wow, so this is also in Asakusa. Is there any address? Well, you can just Google for Suzuhiro. Suzuhiro Kamaboko.